All right, let's look a little bit more in detail about these particles. We now refer to particles as either atoms or molecules. Atoms make up molecules. We can talk about the types of matter being in two different general categories, broad categories: pure substances and mixtures. A pure substance can be classified as either an element or a compound, whereas mixtures are either heterogeneous or homogeneous. Atoms make up elements, molecules make up compounds, and very simply you can think of it as an element is one thing from the periodic table, whereas a compound is more than one thing from the periodic table. If we think of pure substances and what that means, we see that pure substances can't be broken down by physical means. One way of thinking of it is they have a chemical formula. And we'll be working a lot with chemical formulas. For example, Na, H2, H2O. As I look at the periodic table, I notice that elements consist of one thing from the periodic table, whereas compounds, all of these examples are compounds, are more than one thing from the periodic table. So that's an easiest way of thinking of the differences between elements and compounds. Mixtures can be broken down by physical means. Mixtures consist of more than one pure substance. For example, if you have salt water, it is made up of salt and water. Each of those is a pure substance. You could evaporate the water and collect the salt, and we will spend a lot of time later on mixtures.